Good morning to my dear children of Standard 6. Today we are going to study civics revision of lesson number 3, rural local government bodies. Today let's do the revision of this chapter. Okay children, now tell me, what do you mean by the 3 level of the governance? What are the 3 level of governance? They are the central, state and local. Okay. What are the responsibility of the central government? They got the responsibility like defense, foreign affair, currencies and coinage. Okay. What responsibility they have? Defense, foreign affair, currency and coinage. Now the state government. What are the responsibility of them? Law, to maintain law and order, to look after the public health and education. Like during the coronavirus, what efforts the government have given to the public? The way of education we are getting, online studies, yes or no children? So this are the responsibility of the state government to look after the law and order, public health and education. And what do you mean by local government? Local government have 2 issues like urban and rural. Local government carries urban and rural. They look after the cities as well as the village. What are their responsibility? To look after the local issues. What are the local issues? Like electric supply, water supply, maintenance of street, cleanliness of street, picking up the garbage. What do you mean by the word Panchayati Raj? Panchayati Raj, name for the rural local government. What do you mean by this? A Panchayati Raj is a collective name for rural local government. Okay. Now name the 3 levels of rural local government. What are the 3 units of rural local government? Gram Panchayat, Panchayat Samiti and Zilla Parishad. The 3 units of rural local government. What are they? Gram Panchayat, Panchayat Samiti and Zilla Parishad. Understood this much? Now what do you mean by urban local government? Nagar Panchayat, Municipal Council and Municipal Corporation. They are the 3 types of urban local government. Now we have studied about the 3 levels of governance like central, state, local, in local, urban and rural. What do you mean by Panchayati Raj and what do you mean by urban local government? Till here, is it clear? Okay. The Gram Panchayat. The Gram Panchayat looks after the administration of the village. If the population of the village is less than 500, 2 or more such villages come under one Gram Panchayat. Okay children, it is then called a group Gram Panchayat. The Gram Panchayat carries out the functioning relating to water supply, electricity, registrations of birth, death and marriage. The office bearers and the officers of the Gram Panchayat. Who are the office bearers and the officers of the Gram Panchayat? Sarpanch. The election to the Gram Panchayat are held after every 5 years. The meeting of Gram Panchayat are held under the chairmanship of the Sarpanch. Who is elected? The Sarpanch is elected directly by the people. And it is his responsibility to implement the development scheme of the village. The members of the Gram Panchayat can bring a motion of no confidence against a Sarpanch. Means if they don't like the work of the Sarpanch, they can pull him down from this responsibility. In the absence of the Sarpanch, the Deputy Sarpanch look after the work of Gram Panchayat. Who looked after the responsibility in the absence of Sarpanch? The Deputy Sarpanch. He look after the work of Gram Panchayat. Okay. Now a Gram Sevak. Who is he? He is the secretary of the Gram Panchayat. He is appointed by the Chief Executive Officer of the Zilla Parishad. He is appointed by the Chief Executive Officer of the Zilla Parishad. What are his main functions? To look after the day-to-day functioning of the Gram Panchayat, to explain it development schemes to the residents, means the people who are living in the village. He explained them the development scheme, what type of development they are going to do with for the people. Okay. Gram Sabha, the assembly of all the voters of the village or rural area, is the Gram Sabha. It is the most important organization of the people at which level? Local level. It is the binding to hold at least 6 meetings of the Gram Sabha in each financial year, means in each 1 year. And the responsibility of calling the meeting of the Gram Sabha is with whom? The Sarpanch. In the first meeting of each financial year, the Gram Sabha discuss the annual report and account submitted by the Gram Panchayat. They take the suggestion regarding the sanction of the development scheme proposed by the Gram Panchayat. This is the authority to decide upon the individual deserves the benefit of the government scheme. The women participation in the Gram Sabha. What are the work of the women? A meeting of women of the village is held before the meeting of Gram Sabha. They get together and they feel free to discuss the varieties of issues which they are facing in the daily routine. During the Gram Sabha, they speak with a greater concern about the issues such as drinking waters, employment, fuel and health, and they discuss the prohibition, the measures to bring about the necessary changes in the village. The sources of revenue of the Gram Panchayat. What are the sources? The Gram Panchayat carries out many schemes and programs for the welfare of the village. For this purpose, they require money. So the Gram Panchayat raises these funds through different type of taxes. What are the different type of taxes? House tax, water tax, tax on weekly market, pilgrimage tax and the grants from Zilla Parishad and state government. So these are the sources of revenue of Gram Panchayat. Understood children this much? Okay. What do you mean by Panchayat Samiti? Panchayat Samiti is the body that looked after the functioning of the development block is called Panchayat Samiti. Panchayat Samiti is a link between the Zilla Parishad and Gram Panchayat. Okay children, what do you mean by Panchayat Samiti? Now tell me who are the office bearers of the Panchayat Samiti. The chairman and the deputy chairman are the office bearers of the Panchayat Samiti. What are held after every 5 years? The election of Panchayat Samiti are held after every 5 years. It is whose responsibility to call the meeting? It is the responsibility of the chairman of calling the meeting. Okay children? And the absence of the chairman, who preside over the meeting? In the absence of the chairman, the deputy chairman preside over the meeting. Now children, what are the functions of the Panchayat Samiti? What are the functions? They are building roads, gutters, wells and bore well, organizing vaccine drives. Like now, today coronavirus, the vaccination has come. They have started the vaccination drives, providing clean drinking water, helping farmers to improve agriculture and livestock. So these are the function of the Gram Panchayat. Okay children. Now what are the function of Gram Sevak? The function of the Gram Sevak to look after the day-to-day functioning of the Gram Panchayat. The Gram Sevak explain its development schemes to the residents of the village. Okay children. These are the function of Gram Sevak. Zilla Parishad. And what are the function of the Zilla Parishad? Let's see the function of the Zilla Parishad. What are the functions? They give education facilities, health facilities, water supply, and provisions for giving seed to the farmers, supply of electricity and tree plantation, drives in the village so that each villagers will plant trees to clean the environment. This drive is taken in the village by the Zilla Parishad. So if somebody will ask you what are the functions of Zilla Parishad, you can give your answer easily. Okay, children? The office bearers of the Zilla Parishad. Who are the office bearers of the Zilla Parishad? The president and the vice president from among themselves. And the president of the Zilla Parishad preside over the meeting of the Zilla Parishad. And he had a control over the business conduct during the meeting. He also controlled the financial transaction of the Zilla Parishad. Okay. The chief executive officer, who is he? He is the officer appointed by the state government. He takes the decision on behalf of the state government and implement it on the Zilla Parishad. Okay, children. Hope you understand this much. Thank you.